How to allow camera access on Snapchat. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can give access to camera on your Snapchat. So guys, open the setting. Make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Search for the apps. Tap on the manage apps. Now you have to search for the Snapchat. Then you have to tap right here on app permission, and from there you can see the camera icon. So you have to select the camera. So from there you can see if you have on with the don't allow option, so you have to tap right here on the first, which is allow only while using this app. So you have to select this option, and then it will give access to your camera. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.